Hello, I'm going to the club today. It's Friday. We usually go unless we have something else to do or another commitment, but usually, especially in winter, the sun is perfect in Cairo here. I thought let me put the camera on and do my eye makeup with you guys. Easy peasy. I'm wearing red and navy actually, so I decided to pick up this Tom Ford 01 Soleil Neige. You know, it's kind of silver bluish, beautiful shimmery shade. Let me have a sip of coffee. I put all the brushes next to me here. Actually easier. Maybe I will grab something else, but most of them, I think, Tom Ford, Makeup Forever, Chocohood. This gorgeous shade here, because I want each one will have its own space to shine. You know, all over the lid, but don't exceed the crease. Be only on the lid, the full lid. See? Yesterday I went to dye my hair finally. It was lots of white. It's unfair that always women, they have to do that. When they have gray hair, you have to dye it so you look pretty and young. And men, as long as their hair gets gray and gray, they are more sexy and more gorgeous. Unfair, unfair. Men's world, always say that. Wherever you are, Chocohood, this one fluffy, fluffy, fluffy brush. And I'll start from outside and just blend. Yeah. Just blend. My microblading, I did the refill, but it's still healing. It takes like a week to 10 days to heal. Dark gray. Doesn't have to be thin, but Tom Ford blending pencil brush. This one. It's gorgeous shade, by the way. Phyto-Sourcils. I'll do the same up here. The navy and the gray. I love this palette. I don't know, nobody, again, people hooked to the new stuff forget about the old. But hey, I'm here. I will bring all the old oldies but goodies. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be more active during this year and I will have different makeup tutorials. So please, please, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and push the notification button so you don't miss any videos. Keep adding as much as you want. Like me. I will go clean up here and come back to you. Don't go anywhere. And I think I will wear the foundation too and the concealer, but I will finish my eyes with you and then we'll put the rest of my face products with you guys. Don't go anywhere. 1 second. Guys, I'm done and I'm late as always. I'm using the bronzer of Hourglass. And then I'm using this very light blush from GUERLAIN. I want just the glow. Something not too much. Smile, smile. Then the highlighter. Take something very light like that. Lipstick. I will use this Clé de Peau Balm. Perfect. Badass mascara, I love it. Weather is nice outside. And quiet. Victoria Beckham. Take this one. And connect as you know me. Okay, let's recap. This eyeshadow primer, Tom Ford. Mascara, Badass. Vitalumière CC Serum. Both. Lip Glow for lips prime. Finally, I finished this one. Bronzer, Hourglass. Highlighter, Clé de Peau. Blush, GUERLAIN. This one, very light. SISLEY, Chatain. Victoria Beckham, Navy. Clé de Peau. This one. I love it. I love this formulation. Tom Ford, Soleil Neige. Okay guys, I'm done and I will see you in my next video. Please consider subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch all my videos. Push the notification button so you can be alert or notified when I have a new video. And all the links, all the products I used, it will be down below in the description box. Tick and buy. You will support my channel. Okay, see you. Bye.